this session we're going to create Chav animals with Photoshop or Photopea, and to do this we're going to open from computer. I'm going to open the base image which you will have downloaded, pick one of the animals. I've chosen a penguin. There's my penguin. Now he needs a weapon, and in order to gear him up I am now going to go File, Open and Place, and then I can add the rocket launcher. You could open a separate picture and it would show up here, but what you really want to do is just place it. It's much easier than copying and pasting across. I'm going to make the rocket launcher look about the right size. This is all about illusion. This is all about layers, so I just need to have it so it looks like he's holding it. Okay, that seems okay. I'm then going to go to Magic Wand tool, and I'm going to select. Now if I zoom in, Control Plus, you can see I've missed a bit here. Now if I didn't have a fancy cursor you'd see it, but if I hold down Shift on my computer it will create a little plus next to the magic wand, and you can see I've just mapped in a little bit, maybe lost a little bit of it there. No, that's okay. Once that's I'm happy with that selection, I click delete. Except this is a smart object and I need to rasterize it because I've placed it. So rasterize that layer, delete. Now I need to go select, deselect, but you all know the shortcut, which is Control D. Now it doesn't look like he's holding that rocket launcher at all. In order to make this work, I'm going to just, whoops, got the wrong tool on. Move, but notice it's going to move the selection, so I want to go deselect. Okay. So it will be easy enough to take a piece of the penguin from the background and move it on top, but the trick is going to be making it look like he's holding it. So I've gone to the background and I'm going to just hide that layer with the eye symbol, and I'm going to use the Magic Wand tool to select the penguin. I'm going to hold down Shift again. Now I can change the tolerance up here so it can be less sensitive because it was picking up, let go of Shift. I was picking, keep Shift held down. Because this grey is very similar to this grey, and I want to make sure, still holding Shift down, you should see Control Z. You should see a little plus symbol next to your magic wand, Control Z when it goes wrong. Okay, now I'm going to right click. Actually, I'm not. I'm going to go Edit Copy, which of course you all know the shortcut for copy is Control C. And then I'm going to go Edit Paste, which you know the shortcut for that as well, Control V. So I've got my penguin there and another one there. So this is top. That's background. If I drag that up to the top, and you can see it doesn't quite work because I need to delete part of this. So to make this look like it's holding it, yes, it's behind it. So if I move the penguin, you'll see what I mean. So there's my penguin. It's giving the illusion that he's partially holding the rocket launcher. And what I need to do is I need to remove some of his hand. It's good that I've got this little bit here. It will make it look like his his flapper is wrapping around the rocket launcher. And I'm going to use the rocket launcher as a selection. So I'm going to go to the Magic Wand tool, which is hiding there. I'm just going to click on the outside of the rocket, and then I'm going to go Select, Inverse. That will allow me now to come back to this layer here and to remove with the eraser tool. Just moved, brilliant. Be careful, that's a spot healing. You don't want to be using spot healing, you want to be using this one down here. And that will allow me to now remove too much. I'm actually going to do that edge, perfect. That edge is fine. I'm just going to clip that there manually. Super. Okay, next, deselect. And I have a very Chav-like penguin ready to go to war. I invite you to use your own animals, but only the ones that I've given you as a selection. And make sure you have this illusion of the top part of the animal on the top, the object, and then the animal as the background.